Hi everyone, welcome to edquest. I'm your instructor and we are about to unlock the secret sauce of GitHub Actions in our journey to automated ML pipelines. GitHub Actions allow to automate workflows directly within your GitHub repo. Think of them like customizable to-do lists that triggers based on events like pushing code, creating PRs, or on schedule. Key components: workflows, the whole automation logic, jobs, steps that run in sequence or parallel, steps, individual commands, runners, machine that execute the jobs, can be GitHub hosted, public cloud, or self hosted, your laptop server or cloud VM. We will use local runner now so you can follow along easily, but in real production, you can use AWS EC2 runners, GitHub hosted runners in the cloud, Docker containers for isolated, reproducible builds. GitHub Actions are like setting up self-driving car for your code. It drives your project forward with every push. In next video, we will build our very first Hello World GitHub Actions workflow. It's easier than you think and a huge milestone in your MLOps journey. Before that, we will set up a local runner on our server to use GitHub Actions. Thank you and see you in next one.